What up, baby? Welcome back to another kayak and outdoorsman video. Last time I was down at this creek, I was flipping over the edge of the bridge for Rockies, baby. Got myself a 10-incher, but I'm back here again. Only this time, I'm going across the log, baby. I'm gonna get out there and I'm gonna see if I can't get myself a giant Rocky in one of those precarious little spots. If you're one of my 210 subs, baby, much love, thanks for hanging on. If you're new here, smash that like button, baby, smash that subscribe button. I'm going out on a limb to catch some fish, baby. Stay tuned. Nice big chunk of worm. Literally, kids, don't try this at home, okay? It's dangerous. Your parents will give you crap. My balance sucks too. Getting past this tree is gonna suck. This is not how I want it to be. Going out on a limb is not gonna happen, baby. As much as I want quality content, I have zero desire to go for a swim right now. That's the number one fishing. When you're out and a family shows up without fishing rods and watches you before you even take a cast, don't take a cast, especially if it's a good spot. I don't know. I haven't done it in 5 years or so. Mushroom picking? Mushrooms. There's pheasant back mushrooms, and I wouldn't doubt it if there's morels in here somewhere.
Careful eating them.
Right, the morels?
Yeah.
Yeah, as long as you don't get a fake one.
You gotta know what you're getting.
Fish on, first drop. Yeah. First drop in the sticks, baby. First drop in the...
That's a good start. Yeah, them,
decent little Rocky, baby. Just worm. Right? Nice. I used to fish in Millgrove Creek all the time. Bass and pike. Fishing. Oh, lost him. Right? He was just a baby. And, oh, that's a huge... Holy smokes. And it didn't hit the floor. No penalties, baby. No penalties. Stop. It's only 9.5 inches, baby. I'm looking for bigger than 10. So far, 2 drops, 3 drops, 3 fish. Alright, let's see. This stick. This hole right here. That looks like a spot. Dangerous. Dangerous spot. Oh, I got a fish. Oh, it's a decent one. Oh, it's not decent, but I got one. Non-stop Rockies, baby. Smash that like button, baby. Smash that subscribe. Just kayaking outdoorsman production. Underway. Reaching miles of bird vaccine, baby. Enjoy that. See if that fish out, folks. The scarier it looks, the fish, the better chances of a giant baby. Got one. Oh, it's a decent one. Oh my god, it's huge. Ugh. Don't hit the floor. Don't hit the floor. Don't hit the floor. Stop. Stop. Ow, 8.5 inches. That's a beast, baby. You just about smacked me in the face. It's a fat little Rocky, but it's not the one we're looking for. Fishing from this high up, every fish feels like a giant. Oh, there's one. Oh, that's a decent one. Rocky after Rocky, baby. Drop after drop. It's a kayaking outdoorsman show, baby. Smack that like button. Smack that subscribe button. I'm thinking the Rockies are gone. Wised up to my they've wised up to my game. Yellow perch, baby. Two species is today, baby. 2 species in less than 40 minutes. Beautiful little yellow perch in the creek. Yeah, baby. Smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button for my friend Bill. Third species, baby. This one's a dead one. The round goby. On the highway it goes. Got it from here. Let's go for a walk in the bush. that little guy, almost pulled my rod. Look at the cool red color on his back fin there, and his bottom one. A white perch with some cool red. Yeah, baby. Smack that like button. Smack that subscribe button. I'm having a fishy day.